Hello, this is Cameron, just here to demonstrate enhancement activity number 4. Yep, with the code submission and everything for view, model, and control, demonstrating product management applications in which we have the products and categories being managed by the database and controller through the view, etc., so forth. I probably said that wrong. But here's the first view for products, designed in such a way that it should include the messages when things do or don't go wrong, do go right or don't go right. We've got everything else pretty much set up here. And then we've got the product management page where they can click onto different categories, which uses the view to display the pages. And then we've got the category view, which again also displays the message if something goes right or something goes wrong, and etc. so forth right here. Add category, and it's both the views are dynamically built to include the new categories. So let's go over here to the model, which includes the 2 statements of code. This new category right here taps into the Acme Connect, so that way we build a dynamic category for every time we call upon the categories. Over here we have the add new products, which allows us to add a new product to the database depending on the information the user submits through the controller, through the view presented by the controller. Then let's go to the controller, where all the magic happens, where we acquire all the files that we need and all the code we need from the models, etc., so forth, in library, to create a dynamically created nav list and a dynamically created category list in the view section for the products. Down here we have the switch case code, which just allows us to, once accessed by the controller, allows us to find the website that we're looking for whenever we're trying to select categories or products. Again, they allow us to, pretty much got all the code here, just so that way we know that the information's going to the model and the model's being presented to the database, and the database brings back everything to the model and then to the controller and then back to the view. Okay, and that's everything for both sites here. Just a quick look at this, and then a quick look at the breaks here for case product, and then our default for product management. So let's show things. So right here, let me pull it up. Since we're in the controller, let's run this bad boy, open it in browser. I already had one opened up, but okay, so you can already see it kind of tested it here, but I'll show you that it still works. That's the new one right there. So let's add a new category. Oh, all right, still being displayed by the controller. Very nice. Let's add the Sith, because we can't have the Jedi without the Sith. All right, add category, and then we'll go to our new product, and look, there it is. It's being displayed. Just took a little bit to load there, but now we've got the Sith there. So let's see if there it is. The Sith is there. Now let's just add, well, technically Anakin was a Sith, so we should put, actually we'll make it Darth Vader. Darth Vader. And we'll put was the chosen one. That seems good. Image, just change this to Darth Vader. Darth Vader. Perfect. And then we'll do another image like that. Just feel free to skip this part. I'm just doing, we only got one product with that. That's still a 1. Only got 1 in stock. Shipping size, I'd say that's pretty okay. I'm not sure what the weight is. Still from Tatooine. Vendor name still came from Mom, but, I guess we'll go with Palpatine this time. And, we'll just do Death Star for kicks and giggles. And, just so we know that the things have changed, let's just change these other 2, because the other one's 1. And primary material, the Force. Still the Force. We'll leave the Force as the Force. And we'll add a product. And all fields have been required. But let's make sure we haven't received any false negatives or false positives here, etc. so forth. In this case, false positives. So let's go to the local host and go to the categories. And oh, look, there it is, the Sith right there. And we can go to our inventory and see that we have, oh, there it is, all right here. All right, hopefully you enjoyed this demonstration, knowing that everything's talking back, the user's getting the information they requested, and they're seeing it, and the database is collecting the information. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, and one more thing. Let's do a quick test of the CSS here. Just so everyone has everything there, let's validate CSS. I'll use the same CSS, so... Oh. Hold that thought. Oh, yeah, I used the wrong one. Perfect. All right, now let's validate HTML. All right, not as many this time, but I'm not sure why I'm getting these still. I'll probably have to take a deeper look into it. But it seems like those are the problem children right there. We'll probably see that throughout the rest of them. So let's go to the new categories. Again, this is all still presented by the controller. Getting relatively the same things. And let's go back. New product. Perfect. All right, still same error, so if I can just figure out how to fix this, then we'll be good. Either way, hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great and wonderful day.